See how beautiful it is. And when you give your ticket, they will scan it, they will give you, then you can pass. Wow. This place is very, very wonderful. One day, but like, you see. So anyhow, the ticket cost me 88 RMB. What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Foreigner, and today's video I'm going to give you guys a tour of Tianhe Sports Center here in Guangzhou. So here we are at Tianhe Mall. So we're going to start the tour from here. I know you guys will enjoy it there. So stay tuned, have a cup of tea. Let's see these beautiful places together. Yeah, this is like a market. You can see very different Chinese people sell clothes and equipment there. And here is the gaming place. Wow. I think this is a cockroach, spider. Yeah, any kind of food, you know, any kind of like animal, insect, anything, you know, Chinese people eat. So this is weird, but it is what it is. Yeah. So yeah, this is the market. This is a mall, yeah, not a market. It's a mall. So there are many businesses here, and it is very beautiful. And this is a chair where people come and pay. Like people have like a back pain, you're gonna come massage yourself, and you're gonna enjoy the vibes. Wow, this is like a glassing shop. Here is like a gaming. Wow. This is like a gaming place, yeah. This is Poma. This is the Xiaomi office. This is the place where Chinese people play games. And here is a tree. These are trees. You can see these are trees. And up here we have like animals. So, and this place is called Tianhe Mall. Yeah, this is a tourist place here in the Grand View Center at the Tianhe. This is the place you can see inside the mall. Yeah, you're gonna explore many things here, and it is 88 RMB. So this is like a statue. Chinese people are very funny. Yeah, when I came, I thought like this was someone there, but like, you see. So anyhow, the ticket cost me 88 RMB. So we're gonna go inside. Let's see what this beautiful place offers. Anyhow, personally. Oh, there. So I'm gonna take the tickets. I'm gonna go inside there. So yeah, this is the place. You can see how beautiful it is. And when you give your ticket, they will scan it, they will give you, then you can pass. Wow. This place is very, very wonderful. Yeah, it is very beautiful, yeah. You can see the light changing. Wow. And there are some architectures inside. I feel like this is one of the best things, like one of the best tourist places I've ever been to here. So we're gonna go around together. Let's see what and what this beautiful place offers. This is a continental place draft. These are like a giraffe. And this is like a dustbin. And here is a place where you can see, what do you call it? I'm really afraid. Yeah, this is a goat. Wow. I feel like this place is giving like a, someone feel very afraid. Yeah. It's getting scary, it's getting scary. And I am the one inside only, because this mall, if you see the population here in this mall is very much. But I'm shocked why people are not coming inside here. So I feel like I'm not going to go many far. Oh yeah. Now I'm seeing people. This is like a dragon, I don't know. So how do we go? Like here is outside. Yeah, and here is another place inside. Like here you're gonna sit here. This is the history of maybe the place here. So I feel like we can watch this together. 66 million ago. Yo. Wow. This is a mall. I feel like this is like a kind of like a Chinese tradition, yeah. Wow. The architecture here is very good, yeah. This is the Tianhe Sports Center, yeah. It is a mall here in Guangzhou. That is a very beautiful luxury.
9大榕树下邀你品尝顺德味道。A19 A19 A1 A20 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 A20大榕树下邀您品尝顺德味道。来一个光过来。
Wow. Wow, Chinese is they are in another level, yeah. We are just living in like 2050. The architecture, the design. This is a place where people take photos. Yeah, it's specializing in taking photos. Like the place is very beautiful. Let me just pass by. Let's see how much the place over here. Wow. Wow, and here is the mall. Wow. This side is different. This side is different. And this side too is different, yeah. So I feel like I'm more confused, yeah. Like, how could a mall have this kind of architecture? The architecture here is very, very amazing. Very amazing. I don't know what to say again. Here is the lift. This is the lift escalator, but you can see the design, how accurate it is. And here we are like maybe like a 7th floor. And then when you go down, I don't know where the mall starts, but for now we are just in Dobia. You can see the architecture of a horse. This is like a horse. Yeah, this is the architecture. And here are like zebras. These are zebras. And here is like an elephant. Wow. And all inside one mall, yeah. So I feel like the architecture and everything is very amazing there. Yeah, across to China. This is Tianhe sports center. This is a mall here in Guangzhou City. So this is like a place where you can come and explore many things here. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You know the vibes. I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys on another vlog in another city, because today I'm living in Guangzhou.